Hey girlfriends, welcome back to another video. Today we are trying the infamous, the one and only Dyson Diffuser. I kept my normal styling routine, which I just showed you guys a video on how I use my diamond brush. So I kept the same normal routine. These are my results. Let's get right into the video. Today is an exciting day. This is my first time. This is my unboxing. I haven't opened it. I've just been staring at it. We are unboxing the Dyson Supersonic Diffuser. So let me show you what the box looks like. It's heavy, okay? It's big. This is her. I haven't named her yet, but she definitely needs a name. I got the limited edition set. Not that I'll use extra pieces for real. This was a Christmas gift. So, thank you, Santa. Okay, she's opening up. The first thing I see is the gift set. So it comes with this comb. I don't think I'll use it. It has little holes in it, and I wonder if it can go in the thing. It also comes with this brush that I'll most likely never use, but it's cute. It's cute. I actually can probably put the comb to use, but definitely not the brush. Now for the main attraction, what we're all here to see. I think I'm opening this upside down. Oh yeah, because on the box, look. Whoopsies. Oh my gosh, guys. So it has this in the packaging. That's nice. So like, you know, if you're in the car or whatever, transporting her. And this is how she looks. Like, this is amazing. Okay, so I guess it's like a manual. Yeah, we're not gonna read that. It comes with this little, I think it's to go on the end of the diffuser. I don't know what this is, but it comes with this little thing. Then I have these two little nozzles. Last piece is this diffuser. Of course, like, we have the body of it. We're gonna pick her up. Oh, this is gorgeous. So she's like this bright fuchsia pink. Feels good. You can definitely feel and tell like the quality. I'm a rookie at this, okay? I'm a rookie. But what is this? There seems to be something. Maybe this is why I should have read that manual. I don't know what this is. Oh, maybe to lay it on? Oh, that's probably what it is. Cool. We have the diffuser, and it comes with a long cord, which I do appreciate. I don't know, is this the front or is this the front? Let's see. Oh, it's magnetic. You see that? Okay, you can't really tell, but it is magnetic. It's an on and off button right here. It looks like a cool shot. There's a fan, and I don't know what this red button is for, but I don't see the level. Oh, she's plugged in. We're just gonna play with her a little bit. Diffuser it's not a loud diffuser. Like, look, listen. Obviously it makes noise, but it's not like loud. My diffuser is way louder than that. It's sleek. I like the design. It's not heavy, but it has weight to it. Like, you can tell, like, this is, like, she feels like every penny that was spent on this. So without further ado, we're gonna go between low and medium heat for this. Using the cool shot, I'm going to set a timer because everybody says my hair was done in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, honey. I'm starting my stopwatch right now, and I'm just gonna fast forward this. So I just pressed start. She has a cast on her from the Bounce Curl Gel, and I'm going to scrunch out my crunch with some oil, but my hair is fully dry and it took me 8 minutes. So that's crazy. I would have been there all day with the diffuser. So I don't know. Y'all might have to go buy this, but let me finish my hair before we get ahead of ourselves. Yo, like, look at this. This is amazing. This was completed in like 8 minutes. My hair went from wet to dry in 8 minutes. Like, that's all I have to say. Like, time is money, baby. And 8 minutes, I can literally be rushing, do my hair, and go. With my other diffuser, it took me maybe 40 minutes to an hour to dry my hair. But my hair got completely dry within 8 minutes. I think I have like a normal amount of frizz. I don't have any more, I don't have any less. Is this, baby, mandatory? No. Don't go out there spending. I would have never bought this, but it was a gift to me. But $400 is a pretty penny. But if you do have the means to do so, I mean, girl, she's gorgeous. She's phenomenal. I give her a 10 out of 10. It really does mimic air drying to me. Like, the way it feels is not your typical diffuser at all. Dyson really did their thing with this one. So yeah, I absolutely love it. Gets a stamp from me. I will be using this from now on. So I usually air dry, but now if it's only going to be 8 minutes, I might incorporate a little extra diffusing in there. But thank you guys for watching so much. I will see you guys next time. Stay safe. Please, 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 please keep deep conditioning. And I'll see you guys next time. Toodles.